cricket bat? Yeah, एक bat, yeah. नहीं, bat and ball. Helmet नहीं यार, please. No, no, helmet नहीं. नहीं. Okay, thank you. Yes, yes. Shot. Yes. Okay, Shraddha, take this ball and throw it at him. No, no, I'm just kidding. Bus, bus. Thank you, Baba. Thank you very much. Thank you so much, Shraddha. Thank you. Okay, so acha, wait, wait. So if you want, you can just do this and one leg forward and then like that. You want to do bus, bus, bus. Yeah, yeah. Just was my practice swing. First one practice swing on the side. Yeah. So you turn around and do practice. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, Shraddha. Thank you. Thank you, Baba. Wonderful. Lunch is ready, gentlemen. Breakfast नहीं हुआ, चलो lunch कर लेते हैं. Okay, Shraddha.
Yes.
क्या सवाल है? Incredibly fantastic handwriting. Tell us, tell us about one of your fondest memories of watching cricket at home with the family, if there has been one. And you know that you've come in the last 5 overs. It always happens. You're going, what's happening? What's happening? Why is everyone screaming?
Yes.
One of these fondest memories we would love to hear.
Definitely, anytime that there's the cricket excitement that happens at home, it comes from my dad.
Yeah.
Okay, so when I'm talking to my dad or something, he'll be like, "Aaj match hai na to, aaj match hai na to," and then everything revolves around. हाँ, आज तो मैं match देख रहा हूँ. And I'm like, "Bapu, what's your plan?" Match hai, match hai. So that's where like the excitement comes from at home. So I love seeing my dad.
Yeah.
Get into a match. It's such an amazing
Does he wear the
feeling.
jersey and all that, get fully ready?
No, but he's like almost inside the TV only. So it's an amazing feeling to see that joy when he's watching a match.
Today's India Pakistan, did he care where you were going in the morning? नहीं ना, he पूछा भी नहीं होगा ना, because आज match की तैयारी. All right, I'm going to go with another question. It says, अच्छा, श्रद्धा, आज इंडिया पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट मैच है, क्या उम्मीद है आपको टीम से और क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे आप भारतीय क्रिकेट टीम को?
I mean, definitely it's all about, I mean, I love this feeling of India, India. So that feeling is such a great feeling. So I'm going to be all about India today.
आज इंडिया 10 विकेटों से जीत जाए, हम तो यही चाहेंगे ताकि बाद में किसी को हार्ट ब्रेक्स ना हो. रितु, वन क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. आईसीसी की पार्टनरशिप आपकी जो रही है, व्हाई आईसीसी पार्टनरशिप एंड हाउ डज क्रिकेट एंड ट्रैवल, हाउ डू दे कॉम्प्लीमेंट ईच अदर?
So, you know, we signed up with ICC about 3 years back, and a sport that actually, you know, combines multiple countries together, and we believe in diversity as well. So, and India is actually one of the priority markets also for us, and there is no better way to connect with Indians better than cricket or Bollywood. So that was the spirit where we came together and thought about this idea of, yeah.
And I have to say this, मुझे पिक्चर्स मिली थी इस लोकेशन की, कैसे इन्होंने बनाया था. I had no words to describe when I actually saw it. And this is one of those things when, you know, a host will walk and say, अरे वाह, ये तो better than the pictures भी है. Like, it's not like Instagram. When you meet the real people, it's like, oh, this is not like it. Yeah, this was fantastic. So great job done there by the
And
whole
also,
team.
I want to tell you, you know, this place got booked literally under 4 seconds. Thousands of people, you know,
Wow.
the cricket enthusiasts actually logged on, and so exciting to have Nilesh here
Well
with
done
us.
to the whole team of Booking.com. आखिरी सवाल श्रद्धा for you. नहीं, ये एक्चुअली मैं ऑलरेडी पूछ चुका हूँ, तो ये तो ट्रैवल डेस्टिनेशन, ये तो मैं पूछ चुका हूँ. If you had to book this stay, no, ये भी हम पूछ चुके. मेरे ही सवाल ले लेते हैं. One last. Let me ask this. Okay. Yeah. No, this is for you, Ritu, again. Which pandemic, with the pandemic almost behind us, travel's picking up. Any interesting trends that you're seeing? You know, like she's got lots of India trends in her mind. ऐसे आपको दिख रहे हैं trends?
Absolutely. So a lot of people are, the lines between work, if you have to work from home, you could be working in your house in Bombay or be in Pondicherry, who cares? So one thing that we're seeing that, a lot of people are going for longer stay durations. So that's something very exciting coming up. Other is staycations, if everybody has been in lockdown for so long.
Yeah.
So just enjoying a property for weekends, I think, is another trend that we saw. And of course, domestic travel, which always has been very big for us. But during these times, we saw that
It's increased.
it's increased,
Yeah.
aligns beautifully with our Prime Minister's vision, Dekho Apna Desh. So I think it's doing well.
Pondicherry's been put in my head now.
I know,
can't
in
stop
my head
thinking about
also.
Pondicherry, man. It's a fantastic. Well done, Pondicherry. You managed to get Shraddha as an unofficial ambassador for it. All right, T20 Pavilion, Ultimate Cricket Stay, Booking.com पर ये सवाल जवाब का जो सिलसिला यहीं खत्म होता है. Okay, I'll do the right. So just look right, both of you all. Please look right. Now look left, please. Left. Okay, center. First center. And one to the left, please. Yeah. We're done? Okay. Thank you, Ritu. Thank you very much. Shraddha, some solos, please. Yeah. Yeah, just a minute. It's the official 2007 wala. The official hai. We can hold it up as we won. Acha ho jayega. We can use this later if we win, actually. Yeah, this is the 2007 cup that Dhoni actually won. Fantastic. Done? Thank you, gentlemen. Yes, yes. Thanks so much, Shraddha. Yes. Without